Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you would like to buy a watch, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy it from Jazz Time, which is why we make these videos. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex GMT Master II reference 16710 with a Pepsi red and blue dial stainless steel oyster bracelet. I'm going to talk to you guys about the case, the bezel, the dial, the movement, the bracelet, and then I'm going to try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's dive right in. This watch is a 40 millimeter watch. It's made of stainless steel. 40 millimeters means from my thumb to my index finger. It's one of their standard Rolex sizes, and it's using an oyster case. Now this particular one has holes on the side of the case where the bracelet connects with the watch. Some of them don't, some of them do. I can't really go through each one, although I do know it, but I can't tell it to you on here. It takes too long. But anyways, there's a hole right there, and that's where it connects. Okay, so inside this case is the movement. I told you I would talk to you about it. It's a 3185 movement, 3185. It's been out for like 30 years. It has been replaced later on by newer models, but this one, 3185, is very reliable. It works very well, and it's housed inside this screw-down case back. Okay, now I wanted to talk to you about the bezel. Now the bezel is on this one. I'm holding in my hand is an aftermarket bezel. That means it's not made by Rolex. However, I wanted to show you guys what the bezels actually look like, and I've seen these things I've seen the original ones and the non-original ones. It's really hard to tell the difference. Sometimes they get scratched, they fade, and sometimes people want them replaced. So that's what it would look like. It's actually an aluminum insert, not very difficult to put on and off, and they're not very expensive either. So anyways, that's the bezel. They come in black. It comes in black and red, blue and red. So that's what it is. And it's bi-directional. It goes left and it goes right, unlike the Submariner, which only goes one direction. All right, now let's talk about the dial. The dial here is using the older, first of all, it's black, as you obviously see here, but it's not having like the fatter hour markers. Let me see if I have another watch here I can show you. Now, the newer version of like the Submariner, by example, it has a much fatter. You see how like the hour markers are much bigger on the right? Those are maxi dials. Those hour marks are maxi, max as in M-A-X. On the left, they're much smaller. It's a little bit harder to read. Now, I wouldn't exactly call it hard to read, because here's what it would look like at night. Does that look hard to read to you? In fact, it looks pretty awesome to read at night, if you ask me. So I wouldn't call it hard. I would not say it's easier to read than the maxi dial, but it is still not difficult to read, and that's what it would look like. Okay, it also has a date window. Now, I can't really go through every little thing about how to set the time on this one, because, well, this is not what this thing is for, but let's just say I wanted to do so, and I want to do it quickly. So let's say I want to set Asia time for 2 p.m. I'd move the red here to 2 o'clock. And then let's say it's like, I don't know, 5 p.m. On, the 3rd. I'd move it to 3, and then I'd change the time to, let's say, I don't know, like 15, let's say 21. So boom, that would be it. And that's how you would set it. You could tell 2 time zones, 2 p.m. in the place that you're not at, and then 5:21 at the place that you are at. Actually, it would be 2:21 at the place you're not at in Asia, for example, or 5:21 at the place you are at. And the date window would be 3. So that's how you tell, okay? All right, anyways, let's talk about the bracelet. The bracelet is a oyster bracelet. It has 3 links across. This one happens to have 2-piece end links. That just means that there's 2 pieces on the end link. I know this is nerd stuff you don't really need to know about, but basically it has an oyster bracelet, and it has this smaller GMT clasp. I like that. I think that's pretty cool. It looks different from Submariners, which have a fatter clasp. I'll do that comparison in another video, but this one is a review of the GMT. So let's stay on the GMT. So anyhow, that's the watch. I think I talked to you guys about the movement, the bracelet, the dial, the bezel, the case. Now time for me to try it on. I told you I would give you my thoughts. Me having seen more than 10,000 Rolexes, I really enjoy this watch. In fact, I have one myself, and it's also a Pepsi. And the reason I have one is because, well, I like that it has 2 time zones. I also like that it has a red and blue color on it. And I also like that this older traditional style that you can't get anymore. And I think for the price point, I don't mind to wear this one around every day and, you know, potentially get it scratched and whatnot, as opposed to the newer ones, which I would be a little bit more scared to. So I really like this. I think it's a cool, I guess if you can call like a $5,000 to $10,000 watch throw around. Well, that would be my throw around watch. So anyways, my take on this is it's a really awesome watch. They're harder and harder to get. So if you have the chance to buy one, or if you have enough money to buy one, click on the link in the description below. We actually make these videos so customers like yourself who are sitting at home watching YouTube can decide and buy this watch. Yes, it's not for educational purposes. It's actually for the purposes of resale. So support us by buying this watch. Click on the link in the description below.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.